Hello, my friend. This is Steve, and in this video, I wanted to share with you kind of a advanced strategy for building a network marketing business or an affiliate marketing business. And what it is using a Skool community. Now, if you're not familiar with the Skool platform or Skool community, basically what it is like it's like a Facebook group on steroids, where you will be able to build an email list. You'll be able to um, host live calls, you'll be able to sell products. And the main thing that this is going to allow you to do is, again, position yourself as a leader and someone that has value, right? Because at the end of the day, when it comes to attraction marketing, you have to be someone that other people feel like they know, like, and trust and have value that can help them solve their problems. That's what make people want to work with you without you having to beg them, without having to chase people, things like that. And this type of community or this type of platform is going to automatically position you in that way. And I'm gonna show you why. So the first thing that you do with these communities is you're gonna have a gathering place of basically all your leads, right? Everyone that joins a community that you build is basically a lead. And you're also going to have a community tab that is just like a Facebook group. So you'll be able to have all of your leads, or all of your members are going to be in here and be able to communicate with you. That you'll be able to answer their questions. You'll be able to help them a lot faster than in a Facebook group, because like Facebook groups get very cluttered very fast. They created this platform to resolve that issue, right? And like I said, you'll be able to have conversations and have community, right? And that's very powerful, especially when you are the leader of that community, because again, you're going to be building trust. The other thing that makes this powerful is the classroom. So what you could do is the ultimate lead magnet, right, is a free course, right? So you could create a free course or a free guide or some type of free resource that you give away for free. And then when someone joins your community, they can access that resource and get value from you, right? And what are you doing? You're building trust, right? You're building that know, like, and trust factor. And the more trust you have with your prospect or with the members or with your leads, the more likely they are to join you in your business. Okay. You can also sell stuff. So let me change my view real quick here. So let's say you have a product that you want to sell, right? Once you've gotten enough trust, or once you've gained enough trust from your members in your group, they're going to be able to buy whatever course or whatever product you want to sell inside of your community. This is huge because you can also generate cash flow before they even join your business, right? If it's something that they need, something that you find out there's a need for within your community, like you can ask questions and ask them like, what is it that you need? What is it that you need help with, right? And if you see enough people have that same issue or that same problem, you can create a course around it, and they can buy that course to solve that problem. That is the simplest way to make money with a Skool community. And you also are able to you get a calendar where you can actually create um, live calls, right? Let me change my view back here. Um, you can create live calls. So let's say you want to do a live Q&A call every week at a specific time. You can schedule that inside of Skool, and you can have Skool will actually host the call for you. You don't have to do like a Zoom call. You can do the call directly on this platform. It's huge, right? And you can also integrate like Zoom or Google Meet or whatever it is that you want to use. But if you don't want to use if you don't want to use Zoom, you can just use the Skool platform, and you can host a call here. You can do webinars, and you can do Skool calls, which is basically just like a Zoom call where you're seeing everyone's face and you can mute people and people can speak and stuff like that. And that is also a way to build community within your group. Um, the other thing you can do is you can do one-on-one calls. Like you can have them book a call with you, or a strategy session or a coaching session, to see what their problems are that they need help with, right? And you can use the other strategies in this in the free course that you're probably going through right now, but in order to figure out what it is that they need help with, right? And either let them know, yeah, you can join my network, you can join my business, and I can help you with that, or I have a training that I can that you can purchase that will also solve that problem, or whatever the case may be. Make sure you go to the free course because I have all of that mapped out on how you can do that. But yeah, that's one of the other powers or the other things that you can do inside of a Skool community, and that's why this is so powerful for network marketing and for affiliate marketing. Any type of product that you want to sell, you can sell it inside of a Skool community. And the other thing you can do is you can create this as, if you don't want to do a free group, you can do a recurring monthly subscription group where you're having them pay every month, or you can have it as an annual, like an annual price where they pay once for the entire year. So you're making upfront cash flow for that entire year if you wanted to. And you can also download the recordings. Forgot about that. You can download the Q&A recordings so that they can go through the recordings after you've done your live calls. So there's a lot of other perks and stuff with the Skool platform. Like you can there's a leaderboard. Like every time someone interacts inside of the community, they get a point, right? And there's a point system where you can have them unlock different products or different courses, or give them different bonuses based off of the level on the leaderboard that they are, right? And that's going to create more engagement inside of your community. They gamified it so that you can get more engagement in your community. And again, the main thing that you're going to be doing is building trust with your prospects, building trust with your leads. You're actually going to be able to help them without harming them, right? Because you're giving them a free course. Make sure it's something that they can actually use, right? A free course or free guide, something that will solve a problem. Just think of the different problems that network marketers have, or that you had when you were getting started. Create a program or something like that around it that will solve that problem, and give it to them as a free course. It's just like having a sales funnel where you have a capture page that promises a lead magnet on the capture page, so they enter their email in, and then on the next page they're to get access to whatever the lead magnet was, or see a thank you page with an offer on it. This is exact same thing, except it's more powerful, because one, you won't get fake emails because these people actually want this free course, so they're going to actually be in here with their real information. You're able to mass email every member that comes in here. You can also private message them, just like on Facebook. You can private message each of your members. And yeah, I'm just sold on this platform, and it's going to change the game for network marketing if you actually apply and use this. And it's going to change the game for affiliate marketing too, because again, you're building trust with your audience, and you're creating an audience on a platform that you can actually help them in. Sorry, you can actually help them and be present for them, and they can get their questions answered and get their problem solved by you. And by doing that, that's going to create trust in you as a leader, and then they're going to want to work with you. Trust me, this is the fastest, simplest way, one of the fastest, simplest way to position yourself as a leader and someone that can actually help people, and people will want to join you in your business. So I hope you got some value from this. This is something that's huge. I don't see anybody else doing this. I don't know why, but I'm double down on it. I already have a community where I'm helping network marketers create cash flow. If you're watching this video, you're probably inside of that community right now. If you're not, make sure you click the link wherever it is and join, because it's free. And I have a course, a free course. We are actually helping people grow. We're helping people learn. We're helping people get results, and we're doing it all together in a group setting, right? As a community, right? It's not about me. It's about everyone, right? So if you're not already in, go ahead and join for free. And yeah, that's it for this one. Bye for now. I'll talk to you soon.